Hi guys, it's Ashley here, and I'm going to show you how I achieved my beachy waves with space buns. I used the 1-inch wand from the T3 Switch Kit Wave Trio. Let's get going. First off, we're going to section our hair out of the way, and then using the 1.5-inch barrel, we are going to curl our hair in alternating directions. That's going to really give us this beachy wave look we're going for. I hold my barrel upside down like this. It's always been easier for me to be able to see in the mirror and kind of keep the curling iron in my hands out of my face. The way that this heat is consistent throughout the barrel gives these gorgeous beachy waves. After I get that desired wave, I'm gonna take it up a notch. I'm gonna section it into a pigtail and secure with an elastic. I like to leave face framing layers out. I think it gives a nice look. Then you just simply take your pigtail and you're gonna tightly twist it and then wrap it around this secured elastic. Then to hold in place, you just need a couple bobby pins. And then you're gonna repeat on the other side. And remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. This is that fun, kind of effortless look. And that's it. That's how you achieve this look.